Hello Life Sport crew, this is Robbo 5 Life and I'm going to do another food review of Bird's Eye Golden Crunch Microwave Chips Crinkles in just 4 minutes. These we called fries in America. So I've not put these in yet. The blurb on the back. Bird's Eye microwave chips are super quick and easy to make. Simply cook in the microwave. Duh. And within minutes you have super crunchy, super tasty, no fuss chips ready to be demolished. The snack sized box makes it the ultimate mid-afternoon or anytime snack. These chips are perfectly crunchy on the outside and filled with delicious potato on the inside. Hide them from your mates because everyone will love them. They're the kind that'll keep you coming back for more. And the ingredients: 90% potato, canola oil, dextrose, wheat and maize. Contains wheat. So yeah. Doesn't say where it's made. Oh, made in Germany. So you open the box along perforations. Whack it in the microwave, lid fully open for maximum crunch. Take it out of the microwave. Lightly season with salt if you like. Now close the lid and give it a shake. 17 minutes, lid open, maximum chip crunch, then dig in. Well, I'll be microwaving this and I'll be back to you. Okay, I'm back. So these are chips. Steaming hot. It says put salt on if you like. But first I'll try without salt, just see if they're any good, like they're crispy in that. Yeah, they're actually pretty crispy. I'll put a bit of salt on. And a bit of salt. And with some sauce even. Ah well, not much sauce, but get that chip with a bit of sauce on it. Yeah, you're surprisingly alright. They're not as good as oven chips, like some brands. But they are pretty tasty. They are crunchy, unlike my prediction. But anyway, so out of 10, 7 out of 10, passable. They're good for like a snack or whatever. Yeah, so them Germans must know what they're doing if they can do chips this is pretty good from a microwave. But anyway, until next time, this has been Robbo 5 Life. Have a good life and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.